Good morning, students. Now coming to salient features of genetic code. You know, the genetic code, it is a relation between the sequence of nucleotides of DNA or RNA and that of the polypeptide chain. Such a relation is considered as genetic code. Okay, according to genetic code, total 64 codons are there in codon dictionary, and 61 codons are considered as sensible codons, and 3 codons, they are the last codons of mRNA, they are considered as terminating codons. All sensible 61 codons can recognize any one of amino acids present in cytosol, but ending codons, they do not recognize the amino acids present in cytosol. So now coming to salient features of genetic code. So first salient features of genetic code, this is code is triplet. Code is a triplet. Okay, code is a triplet. This is the first property of a genetic code. So code is triplet means code is a triplet in which 3 nitrogen bases collectively they recognize one amino acid. Code is a triplet in which 3 nitrogen bases collectively they recognize one amino acid. For example, okay, one codon UUU, uracil, uracil, uracil. This is a codon consisting of total 3 nitrogen bases. Now this codon, it recognizes amino acid phenylalanine. Phenylalanine. This is the codon, triplet codon, and it recognizes one amino acid, that is called phenylalanine. Similarly, another codon, glycine, 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 GGG codon. This is also consisting of, it consists of 3 nitrogen bases. Is also a triplet code, and this codon, it recognizes amino acid glycine. Amino acid glycine. In this way, code is a triplet in which 3 nitrogen bases collectively they recognize one amino acid. Such property of genetic code is called code is triplet. Example: triple U recognize alanine, triple G recognize glycine. Now coming to the second property of genetic code, this is code is degenerate. Code is degenerate. Code is degenerate. What's the meaning of code is degenerate? Students, you know, there are total 64 codons in codon dictionary, but amino acids, only 20 types of amino acids are there. Here, number of codons much more than the number of types of amino acids. There are total 64 codons in codon dictionary, but only 20 types of amino acids are there. Because of this reason, sometimes single amino acid is recognized by more than one codon. More than one codon. Single amino acid, sometimes single amino acid may be recognized by more than one codon. While number of codons much more than the number of types of amino acids. There are 64 codons, but only 20 amino acids are there. Because of this reason, sometimes single amino acid may be recognized by more than one codon. For example, one of the best example, serine, amino acid serine. This is one of the amino acid. But this serine is recognized by total six codons. For example, UCA, UCC, UCG, UCU, AGU, AGC. Okay, total 6 codons are there. Total 6 codons. One UCA, UCC, UCG, UCU, AGU, AGC. Total 6 codons. These 6 codons they recognize only one amino acid, that is serine. So, single amino acid serine may be recognized by any one of these 6 codons. Okay, UCA, UCC, UCU, UCG, AGU, AGC, total 6 codons they recognize single amino acid, that is serine. So, sometimes single amino acid may be recognized by more than one codons. Such property of genetic code, this is called code is degenerate. Example, serine is recognized by total 6 codons. Now, coming to another one, code is unambiguous. Unambiguous. Code is unambiguous and specific. Code is unambiguous and specific. So, code is unambiguous and specific means a particular codon will codes a particular amino acid, but not other amino acid. Okay, a particular codon will codes for only a particular amino acid, but not other amino acid. For example, UUU, it recognizes phenylalanine. Okay, phenylalanine. UUU, it recognizes phenylalanine. Similarly, GGG, it recognizes amino acid glycine. Means always UUU, it recognizes only phenylalanine. Always GGG recognizes only glycine. A particular codon will codes for only a particular amino acid, but not other amino acid. For example, phenylalanine is recognized by UUU and GGG recognizes glycine. UUU, it codes only phenylalanine, but not glycine. Triple G, it recognizes only glycine, but not phenylalanine. A particular codon will codes for only a particular amino acid, but not other amino acid. That is, code is unambiguous. Okay. Now coming to another point, code is nearly universal. Nearly universal. Code is nearly universal. The same code is applied for the recognition of one amino acid in almost all organisms. The same code is applied in almost all organisms. For example, triple U, it is applied for the recognition of phenylalanine in all types of organisms. Similarly, triple G, it is used for the recognition of glycine in all organisms. The same code is applied in all types of organisms. But there are some exceptions for this rule. In which type of codons there are some exceptions? There are some exceptions for this rule. The mitochondrial codons. Mitochondrial codons. Exceptions. Mitochondrial codons and protozoan codons. So, code is nearly universal, not universal, nearly universal, because there are some exceptions for this rule in some organisms like mitochondrial codons and protozoan codons. So the same code is applied in almost all organisms. However, there are some exceptions for this rule: mitochondrial codons and protozoan codons. Because of this reason, this is called code is nearly universal. Now coming to the fifth property, that is code is comma-less. Code is comma-less. What is the meaning of code is comma-less? No letters are wasted. Okay? No letters are wasted and no punctuations are needed. No letters are wasted, no punctuations are needed in between the codons of mRNA. So, no letters are wasted, no punctuations are needed in between the codons of mRNA. Such a property, this is considered as code is comma-less. So, code is triplet. Code is decelerate. Code is unambiguous and specific. And code is nearly universal. And code is comma-less. Now coming to the sixth feature, this is starting, initiating codon. Initiating codons. Initiating codon. So the codon which starts the process of polypeptide chain formation. The codon which starts the process of polypeptide chain formation. Such codon is called initiating codon. That is AUG. AUG is considered as initiating codon or starting codon. And this initiating codon, it recognizes methionine. It recognizes methionine, amino acid methionine. Okay, very important. AUG codon, it also serves as a dual codon. How it serves as a dual codon? On one hand, it can recognize the methionine amino acid. On other hand, it initiates the process of polypeptide chain formation. Because of this reason, AUG codon, it is considered as a dual codon. Not only recognize the amino acid methionine, but also it starts the process of polypeptide chain formation. That is AUG. And next property, this is considered as stop codons or terminating codons. Terminating codons, also called stop codons, and also called ending codons. Ending codons. They are also called ending codons. What are ending codons? How many ending codons are there in codon dictionary? The codons which do not specify any amino acid. These ending codons, they do not recognize any amino acid. They do not code for any amino acid, but they help in the termination of a polypeptide chain formation. The codons which help in the termination of polypeptide chain formation and which do not recognize any amino acid in cytosol. Such type of codons are called ending codons or terminating codons or stop codons. There are total 3 ending codons or stop codons. One is UAA. This is also called Walker. This is called Walker. Okay, UAA, Walker. And second one, UAG. This is called Amber. This is called Amber. And other one, UGA. UAA, UAG, UG. This is also called Amber. This is called Amber and also called Opal. These 3 types of codons, they are considered as ending codons or terminating codons. Very, very important. Okay, so UAA, UAG, UGA. These three codons they help in the termination of polypeptide chain, so that they are considered as terminating or stop codons. UAA is called vocal, UGA is called amber, UGA is called amber or also called opal. Students, now coming to the most important objective lines. Some important points from genetic code table. Very objective, very important objective points from the codon table. Okay, so in total 64 codons. Some of the amino acids they are recognized by only one codon. Only one codon. Some amino acids they are recognized by only one codon. For example, methionine. Okay, and methionine is recognized by only one codon, that is starting codon AUG. Similarly, another one, this is very important, UGG, tryptophan, TRP, tryptophan, UGG. These two types of amino acids, one tryptophan, two methionine. These type of amino acids they have only one codon. These are the amino acids which are recognized by only one codon. One is methionine by AUG, second one is TRP by UGG. But some of the amino acids they are recognized by two codons. Example, phenylalanine. Phenylalanine is recognized by two codons. Similarly, some of the codons are also recognized by three codons. Three, isoleucine is represented by three codons. But some of the amino acids they are recognized by four codons. One is valine and alanine, okay, and glycine. They are recognized by four codons. These are the amino acids which are recognized by four codons. And some of the amino acids they are recognized by maximum 6 codons. One is serine. Okay, one is serine, and second one arginine, and other one is leucine. They are maximum represented by 6 codons. Students, now coming to another points. This is UUU. It recognizes phenylalanine. Okay. Similarly, GGG. It recognizes glycine. Similarly, it recognizes lysine. And CCC recognize proline. Similar letters. UUU phenylalanine, triple G alanine glycine, triple A lysine, triple C recognize proline. Similarly, stop codons. The stop codons are coded by UAA, already mentioned here. UAA, UAG, and UGA. They are considered as stop codons. Similarly, initiating codon starting codon AUG is the starting codon. So these are the important lines from codon table. Similarly, serine it recognizes total 6 codons: UCA, UCU, UCC, UCA, UCG, okay, and AGU, AGC, all of them. There are total 6 codons, very important. There are total 6 codons for recognition of serine, okay.